IBhalagwe memorial site. What is happening here is bad, is inhumane, it's disgusting what happens here all the time. Zulu and the people in the community and the Ndebele people, and of course those that are peace loving in Zimbabwe, they come here, they put up a memorial to remember people who were slaughtered here at IBhalagwe, to remember innocent lives. And somebody comes here and destroys. This time around they've chosen to actually blast this thing away with dynamite. It was blasted away with dynamite. Well, what type of a person does such a thing? What kind of a person, really? This is painful. This is an African, this is uncultural, this is unheard of. And no one seems to be investigating these happenings here. No one at all. No one seems to be worried at all of what's taking place here. But sooner or later, I think this should come to light. This should be investigated. There has to be an answer to this. Because somebody is deliberately doing this, putting salt on open wounds. We're bleeding from within. We're still hurting from what happened in the 80s. But right now, this group of people, one person is taking a nail, 60-inch nail, and nailed it right through our hearts. You know, this is terrible. This is unheard of. It's just un-African. You cannot desecrate such a. This is a holy place. You cannot just desecrate this. It's sacrilegious. This is not done in Africa. It's not allowed. It's not permissible. You know, it's not right. It's just not right at all. This has to come to an end. This has to stop. Just has to stop. Yeah. Nkosi nkulunkulu wami ncede. Ngamafuse amahola. Into eplaniweyo sibili thatha imali kuzolinyazwa la. Uplano. Hayi khona. Umbona. Ubaba ofele parare nyaka. Umbona lo. Uthi yena umbala. Ho. Dana macha tibdino la. Bathi tabana macha aphele ngala. Bese ngabone ukuthi into into enje. Umuntu omubi, kunenhliziyo embi. Into ezithe uthatha isawudi, yala isawudi. Elithele phezulu isiqondo esivulekileyo, ithele iacid phezulu kwesilonda esivulekileyo. Khathesi kuthe wathatha isipikiri, inkalatha yesipikiri, isisikithi wasibethela enhliziyweni zethu. Wasibethela enhliziyweni zethu. Kusiza ukuthi kakhulu ukuthi sizakwenzana. Kathi sonani isilizwe leli. Sonene emhlabeni nalothi. Kuno sakho nawe sibilo ilizwe leli. Hayi man, hayi. Ungawenza so. Abantu ungawenza so man.